Well, the first thing I had to do was get a place that, to stay. And as you know, I use Airbnb a lot. So I went through Airbnb and picked out this place here. Now, we're in the area known pretty much as the Landmark area, or also the Vinhomes area. You can see the buildings are pretty tall here. It's a very large, new, upscale part of town. And very nice. And this is the building that I got my Airbnb at, which is Park 6B. And what we're going to do is, well, I needed a place to go as soon as I got in from the airport. So I went ahead and got this place. Now, all I needed was a place that I could stay for about 2 weeks while I hunted down a long-term apartment. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'll share it with you. And it's a pretty nice place. Now, right down the street and around the corner is Central Park. I'll have to show you that on another day because it's really huge and very beautiful. I want to show it to you more in the middle part of the day. You come into the main lobby and they've got the Christmas tree still up. And over here, they have a live security person during the day, but otherwise you put in a security card, come in through here, otherwise the doors won't open. And then the elevators. Now, they've got, I believe it's 7. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7 elevators. Because I think the building is about 30-some floors tall. So lots of people going in and out. So 7 elevators. So we'll catch one up here. Here we go. Okay. And we're going to go to 29th floor. Okay, so now here we are on the 29th floor. And next level of security is the key code, which is right here. So I'll go ahead and enter in the code. Okay, and then that opens the door. Hello. Now I'm doing a shared arrangement here, so that's one of the staff there that shares one of the other rooms. There's a balcony view here, and you can see the swimming pool downstairs, and that's available until 10 p.m. You can see a little bit of the park over there. That's just a small part of it, but like I said, it's right here next to the building. So anyway, so that's that part. And I will put on the screen, oh, by the way, here's the dining table, and everything here is like shared space. So, it's got all the usual microwave, refrigerator. You can cook here, but I've just mainly been bringing food in or eating out. And, there's a TV and whatnot. Now, over here is my room. All the lights pretty much turn on by themselves. I do have a lock for this room, for my room, but since I knew I was going to do video, I just left it unlocked. Anyways, the room is pretty basic. Basically just a place to crash for until I find another, like a long-term apartment. And this is my view from the room. Again, there's the swimming pool there, and it just lucked out. This gets shade all throughout the day, so I didn't have to really deal with any hot sun or anything like that. And anyways, yeah, that's basically it. Again, I'll put the cost there on the screen. I really do love using Airbnb, especially if you're just getting something temporary. Now the apartments, I'm going to probably sign about a 3 to 6 month lease. You get a better deal that way. You can get places on Airbnb for say 6 months, but it has to be free in the calendar, for that period. so that's about it. Oh, I'll just show you real quick the, well, what we in the Philippines call the CR. But, you know, it's pretty nice. There's me. And very clean. They come in and they clean it, I believe, once a week. And they, again, they provide towels and whatnot, shampoo and everything. Very clean. So anyways, so yeah, I've been really happy with the place. And I'll find myself a longer term apartment, sign a lease, and yeah, so that's about it. See you guys later. Bye.